I was restocking my supplies and Mrs. Meyer's, the Clean Day All-Purpose Spray Cleaner in Lavender. This was actually a pack of 3. This is just 1 bottle, but I do have 2 more as well. And this cleaner and this scent has been a staple in my home for many, many months. The lavender scent does not disappoint. Why I like? Truly multi-surface. I use these bad boys on counters, cabinets, wood, furniture, tile, and more, always leaving the surface clean, fresh, and no residue. For me, I feel good knowing that I'm cleaning without harsh chemicals, so the natural and cruelty-free is something that appeals to me. And lastly, the lavender scent, that's lavender. It lingers in the best way, floral and calming, without being overpowering. Would I buy again? Yep. And I do, over and over and over. And effective, amazing smell, and they make daily cleaning feel a little more enjoyable. Enjoy.